Have you ever watched a movie about the rise of robots and thought it was just a far-fetched sci-fi plot? Well, think again. With the rapid advancement in AI technologies, we're closer to the reality of robots than we think. There have been numerous movies that depicted the rise of robots, but now it's becoming a real possibility. And speaking of AI, have you heard of ChatGPT? It's an AI language model that can chat with humans like a real person. It was created by OpenAI, a leading AI research organization. The origins of ChatGPT go back to 2018, when OpenAI first released its initial language model, GPT-1. But here's the really cool part. ChatGPT is actually a newer and improved version of GPT-1, the language model that OpenAI first released back in 2018. So let's explore how ChatGPT came to be. Launched on November 30, 2022, ChatGPT has quickly become one of the most popular AI language models on the market. With over 150 million plus users per month as of May 2023, it's clear that ChatGPT is changing the way we communicate and interact with technology. Whether you're a writer, a business professional, or just someone looking to improve your language skills, ChatGPT offers a powerful and user-friendly solution for all your language needs. But what exactly is ChatGPT? And how did it become so popular in such a short amount of time? Well, let's dive deeper into the development, milestones, features, and applications of this groundbreaking AI language model and find out. So, we were just talking about how ChatGPT is blowing minds in the world of artificial intelligence. The AI language model was created by OpenAI, a company that's all about using AI to make the world a better place. But what does ChatGPT actually do? In a nutshell, ChatGPT uses natural language processing, NLP, to generate human-like responses to text inputs. This means that it can carry on a conversation with the person just like a real human being. It's seriously impressive stuff. And the technology behind ChatGPT is even more mind-blowing. It's built on deep learning algorithms and artificial neural networks, which allow it to process vast amounts of data and develop a sophisticated understanding of language. So, not only can it respond to individual words and phrases, but it can also understand the context of a conversation and generate coherent and meaningful responses. But here's the really cool part. ChatGPT can also learn and adapt as it interacts with users. By analyzing patterns in language and user preferences, it can become more personalized and accurate in its responses over time. So, the more you use it, the better it gets. Development of ChatGPT. The development of ChatGPT is a fascinating story that highlights the incredible potential of artificial intelligence technology. The technology was created by OpenAI, a research organization founded in 2015 with the goal of creating AI technology that could be used to benefit society. Basically, OpenAI was founded by a group of tech luminaries, including Sam Altman and Elon Musk, with the goal of creating AI technology that is safe, reliable, and beneficial to humanity. Initially, OpenAI was a nonprofit organization, but it later transitioned to a capped profit model in 2019 to attract more investment and expand its operations. The company has since grown rapidly, with a team of over 200 researchers, engineers, and other experts working to develop cutting-edge AI technology. Despite Elon Musk stepping down from OpenAI's board in 2018 to focus on Tesla, the company has continued to thrive and innovate. In fact, OpenAI has been involved in some of the most groundbreaking AI research to date, including the development of GPT-3, the predecessor of ChatGPT. But what sets OpenAI apart from other AI companies is its focus on ethics and safety. The company is dedicated to ensuring that AI technology is developed in a responsible and transparent manner, with the potential risks and benefits of each project carefully considered. While the world of AI is advancing rapidly, it's not always smooth sailing. Take Microsoft's Tay chatbot, for example. It was launched back in 2016, but within 24 hours, Twitter users had already taught it to spout racist, misogynistic, and generally offensive language. It was a huge PR disaster for Microsoft and a clear indication of the dangers of AI if not carefully managed. Even Facebook's Meta Blender Bot 3, which was launched in August, fell into a similar trap. Despite being touted as a state-of-the-art chatbot, it too quickly began to spout offensive language and was forced to shut down. OpenAI, the developers of ChatGPT, have been wise to avoid these pitfalls. They've employed a moderation API to monitor and filter the responses generated by ChatGPT, ensuring that offensive or harmful language is quickly flagged and removed. This makes ChatGPT a much safer and more user-friendly platform for people to engage with. But the earlier versions of ChatGPT had their fair share of quirks and limitations. Sometimes it would misunderstand or give weird answers that made you scratch your head. But the OpenAI team didn't give up. They kept improving the model, refining its training techniques, and addressing the issues that came up. Gradually, ChatGPT started getting better and better. It became more adept at understanding context, generating coherent responses, and even cracking jokes occasionally. ChatGPT 4. Fast forward to today, and we have the latest version of ChatGPT called ChatGPT 4, which is pretty darn impressive. It's become quite the conversationalist, capable of engaging in more natural and meaningful discussions. ChatGPT 4 has addressed many of the limitations and drawbacks of its predecessors, making it a significant leap forward in AI language models. Compared to previous versions, ChatGPT 4 has undergone substantial improvements in several key areas. One notable enhancement is its increased accuracy in generating responses. OpenAI has invested significant efforts in fine-tuning the model and refining its training process. As a result, ChatGPT 4 is more reliable and less prone to errors or nonsensical answers. OpenAI claims that ChatGPT 4 is 82% less likely to respond to requests for prohibited content and 60% less likely to invent answers. While it may not be perfect, these improvements demonstrate the strides made in developing more reliable AI companions. Moreover, ChatGPT 4 benefits from its architecture and training on a vast amount of recent data. OpenAI has equipped the model with a higher number of parameters, allowing it to process and analyze information more effectively. This access to recent data and increased computational power contributes to ChatGPT 4's improved accuracy and ability to provide up-to-date responses. Users can have more confidence in the information it generates, particularly in areas such as product availability, shipping schedules, and returns. Furthermore, ChatGPT 4 showcases advancements in natural language understanding and contextual comprehension. It can grasp the nuances and context of conversations more adeptly, resulting in more meaningful and coherent responses. This improved conversational ability makes ChatGPT 4 feel more like a genuine conversation partner, enhancing the user experience and enabling more engaging interactions. OpenAI's commitment to addressing the limitations of previous versions is evident in the continuous evolution of ChatGPT. Each iteration brings refinements and enhancements that push the boundaries of AI language models. While ChatGPT 4 may not be the ultimate solution, it represents a significant milestone in the development of smarter AI companions. The journey from the earlier versions of ChatGPT to ChatGPT 4 has been exciting, marked by substantial progress and promising advancements. As we look to the future, it's thrilling to imagine what further developments and breakthroughs lie ahead. The quest for more intelligent and capable AI companions continues, and with each iteration, we move closer to achieving that goal. ChatGPT 4 is a testament to the progress made and serves as a stepping stone toward even more remarkable AI systems that will shape our interactions and experiences in the years to come. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the main features of ChatGPT. Features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT boasts an impressive array of features that have made it a leading AI language model in the field of artificial intelligence. From its ability to generate human-like responses to its capacity to learn from user interactions, ChatGPT has set a new standard for AI technology. One of the most impressive features of ChatGPT is its ability to generate human-like responses to text inputs. This is achieved through the use of natural language processing, NLP, which enables the technology to understand the nuances of language and generate responses that are coherent and meaningful. Whether engaging in casual conversation or discussing complex topics, ChatGPT is capable of providing accurate and insightful responses that are tailored to the needs and interests of individual users. Another key feature of ChatGPT is its adaptability. As the technology engages in conversations with users, it is able to learn from these interactions and adjust its responses accordingly. This means that over time, ChatGPT can become increasingly personalized and accurate in its responses, making it an incredibly useful tool for a wide range of applications. In addition to its adaptability, ChatGPT also boasts a wide range of customization options that enable users to tailor the technology to their specific needs. This includes the ability to adjust the language model's vocabulary, set response length limits, and control the tone and style of the generated responses. These customization options make ChatGPT an incredibly versatile and user-friendly AI language model. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to integrate with a wide range of other technologies and platforms. These include chatbots, virtual assistants, and other AI-powered tools, allowing businesses and organizations to create highly sophisticated and efficient communication systems. Whether used for customer service, education, or healthcare, ChatGPT's integration capabilities make it an incredibly valuable tool for a wide range of industries. Anyway, let's take a look at the milestones it has achieved so far. Milestones achieved by ChatGPT. Since its launch on November 30th, ChatGPT has achieved several impressive milestones. In just a short amount of time, it has already amassed over 5 million users, highlighting the tremendous demand for AI-powered language models like ChatGPT. One of the key factors driving ChatGPT's success is its integration with major platforms like Microsoft's Bing, Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. This has made it easy for users to access ChatGPT's powerful language capabilities directly within their favorite tools and applications. Another major milestone for ChatGPT came when it passed the MBA degree exam at Wharton, UPenn. This achievement demonstrated the incredible versatility and power of the language model, as it was able to successfully navigate a highly specialized and challenging exam. Similarly, ChatGPT also passed the United States Medical Licensing Exam, USMLE, further showcasing its ability to handle complex and specialized knowledge domains. However, not everyone has been comfortable with the rise of ChatGPT. Some schools and institutions have expressed concern about the technology, leading to increased scrutiny and even paranoia around its use. Despite these challenges, ChatGPT has continued to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI-powered language models. It has helped a judge with a verdict in Colombia, written several bills in the United States, and even passed the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner exam. ChatGPT has also demonstrated its ability to compete with other leading AI technologies, including IBM Watson, which it outperformed on Jeopardy! Applications of ChatGPT. ChatGPT's advanced features and adaptability have made it an incredibly useful tool for a wide range of applications. From customer service to healthcare, education, and beyond, this powerful AI language model has proven to be a valuable asset for a variety of industries and use cases. One of the most common applications of ChatGPT is in customer service. Many businesses and organizations have integrated ChatGPT into their communication systems in order to provide customers with fast, accurate, and personalized support. By leveraging ChatGPT's ability to understand natural language and learn from user interactions, businesses are able to create chatbots and other tools that can effectively address customer needs and resolve issues in real time. Another key application of ChatGPT is in healthcare. Many healthcare providers have begun using the technology to provide virtual consultations and other remote healthcare services. By integrating ChatGPT into their communication systems, providers are able to offer patients a high level of personalized care, even when they are unable to meet in person. This has become particularly important in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, as healthcare providers look for ways to deliver care remotely while minimizing the risk of infection. Education is another area where ChatGPT is proving to be an invaluable tool. Many educational institutions have begun using the technology to provide students with personalized tutoring and other support services. By integrating ChatGPT into their virtual learning environments, educators are able to offer students tailored feedback and guidance, helping them to achieve better outcomes and reach their full potential. And with technology continuing to evolve and improve, who knows what other innovative applications we'll see in the future? Speaking of the future, have we mentioned how bright it looks for ChatGPT and OpenAI? It's amazing to think about all the possibilities for AI and machine learning. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we dived into the amazing world of ChatGPT and how it's revolutionizing technology as we know it. From its early hiccups to the latest version, ChatGPT has come a long way, impressing us all with its conversational skills. It's changing the game by providing us with AI companions that can engage in meaningful discussions and assist us in various tasks. So, if you're ready to experience the future of chatbots, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more mind-blowing tech updates.